Welcome back. Cooking can be fun if we try to explore various cuisines. Here at Z-Connect, we try to blend culinary traditions from around the world and create delicious, innovative dishes. Get ready to explore exciting recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and inspire your inner chef.
Hello viewers, weekend is back, so am I. This is Tarun, your chef for the day. And today I'm going to teach you amazing cool breakfast recipes. So keep your notebook ready and you will crave this recipe. Note down all the points and let's check out the ingredients. We have fresh yogurt, whole eggs, baguette bread, zaatar spice, chili flakes, fresh garlic, melted butter, salt, white vinegar and fresh parsley. So let's start with our baguette bread. We are going to thin it this much of slice. You see the thickness? This is what we need. So I'm keeping it about 3 pieces. We'll take some butter. We'll apply some butter to the bread on both the sides. So your bread is here. So while our pan is getting hot, we'll move to our herb yogurt. So we will take fresh parsley, handful of fresh parsley. We are going to fine chop it. Garlic. So we'll take around 4 cloves of garlic, thinly slice them. The pan is almost hot. Let's drop our toast in the pan. While our toast is getting ready, we will chop our garlic. Let's check on our toast. We'll take a mixing bowl. Fresh yogurt. Take around 5 tablespoons. We have fresh parsley. We have got garlic. Take half of the garlic. Let's check on our breads also. Almost ready, crispy and toasted. I have parboiled the water. This is gonna be for the poached eggs. I'm gonna take white vinegar. This is about 45 ml and it is gonna mix into the water. Let's come back to our herb yogurt. We'll take salt for the seasoning, half teaspoon. You can also prepare this herb yogurt overnight and you can keep it in the refrigeration. The flavor is gonna be much more better because the garlic gives all the flavors to the yogurt and it's gonna be a garlicky herb yogurt. So I prefer you can keep it overnight since I'm making it for you fresh. So I'm making it right here, but you can definitely make it overnight. So now herb yogurt is ready. Now we'll start with our eggs. So we will poach them. We will bake them in a bowl. You see the water is already boiled and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to carefully put the egg into the hot boiling water. And with the help of a ladle, I'm going to cover the egg white so that I get the perfectly nice poached egg. We'll take another one. Another one on another side. With the help of ladle, we will keep it in 2 different corners. If you like to have well done eggs, you should keep it for 8 to 10 minutes. I like it over and easy, so 6 minutes is okay for me. So I'll remove the toast here. The pan is still hot. We'll take oil, just 1 tablespoon. So we will add our remaining garlic. Chili flakes. You can be little careful with the chili flakes because I'm gonna use only half a teaspoon. So this is gonna be a topping for your breakfast recipe, which is Turkish eggs. Crispy and chili garlic. So this is done. Let's take out our poached eggs. Remove excess water and put them on the paper so that the remaining water can be drained out. Let's take another piece. So we'll start with our plating. Let's bring the poached eggs. Herb yogurt. I'm sure many of you must be using yogurt for breakfast with fruits or granola. But if you're looking for something new, this yogurt and eggs recipe is the perfect option for you. This is herb and garlicky yogurt with the eggs. Just coat the poached eggs. With the yogurt. Our chili and crispy garlic. Za'atar powder. Just a pinch for the garnish. Crispy toasted bread. Fresh parsley. So your creamy Turkish eggs are ready, and now I'm going to work on the drink. Since we just prepared a breakfast dish, it's time to pair up with something bold, delicious, coffee-based mocktail. So are you ready for it? Let's check out the ingredient. We have fresh strawberry, ice, a shot of espresso, and chilled milk. So let's begin with our strawberries. We are going to remove the stem. For 1 glass, I'm taking about 6 of strawberries and I'm gonna chop them. So I'm just roughly chopping them. So now I'll take them into a bowl. So what I'm doing it here, I'm going to muddle the strawberry. It's like completely mince. I'm gonna take little milk just to give a body. So the strawberries are almost minced. I think they are at right consistency. If you can see, they got perfectly minced with the milk and blended well. Now I'm gonna take a glass. Take the strawberry and I'm gonna apply on the edges. We'll take a fresh chilled milk. Fill it half. We'll take ice cube. Shot of espresso. We're gonna take 1 strawberry. cover it here. Your strawberry espresso mocktail is ready. So I hope you enjoyed today's breakfast recipe. When it comes to drinks, strawberry is very uncommon with espresso, but let me tell you, it works really well. While we have Turkish eggs, it's one of my favorite. And do try out this recipe. It's really amazing. And we'll see you with another exciting recipe next week. Till then, take care. See you.